Welcome to Nano Scientific Research Center. In this session, let's have a look on automation. See, first of all, what is automation? Automation is nothing but basically the delegation of human control function to a technical equipment to achieve a particular factors. Those are increasing the productivity, increasing the quality, and reducing the cost. Finally, increasing the safety of the human operator. And let's have a look on history of PLC. In olden days, the industry is going to control by manual control. After that, they have implemented the pneumatic controller. After that, they have implemented the hardware logic control and electronic control using logical gates. Finally, they have implemented the programmable logic controller. See, in each and every stage, we have some drawbacks. To overcome these drawbacks, they have implemented the PLC. See, what are those drawbacks? If you are considering manual control, in this, the human operators are going to control the industry, and due to human operators make some errors. These errors will be affected on final product. This is a simple drawback of manual control. After that, to overcome this one, they have implemented the pneumatic control. Here, by using the pressure signal, they are going to activate the switches. In this also, they are finding the different types of drawbacks. What are those? It involves a reworks to implement a new logic, and longer project time it will take. See, these are the basic two drawbacks. To overcome this one, again they are implemented the hardware logic control. In this also, they have some drawbacks. Those are complex wiring. The first thing is complex wiring, and longer project time it will require. It is difficult to maintain and troubleshoot. After that, to overcome these drawbacks, again they are going for electronic control using logical gates. See, they are implementing the logical gates. By using that, they are going to control the industry. In this electronic control using logical gates also, we will find some drawbacks. Those are changes in control logic is not possible. Again, you have to start from starting onwards. And finally, they are implemented the programmable logic control. What are the drawbacks seen in previous stages? All those are overcome by programmable logic controller, that is PLC. Now, here we have the different types of PLCs. Those are Allen-Bradley, Siemens, ABB, Delta. Like this, we have the different types of PLCs. Thank you for watching this session.